my name is Tommy, and today we're talking about reaction quotient and an equilibrium constant. Find QC for the following reaction: A2 aqueous plus B solid plus 2C aqueous yields AC2 aqueous and AB solid. So what we're going to want to do is have our concentrations of our products over our concentration of our reactants. And we want to include the aqueous solutions and not pure liquids or solids. So our aqueous solutions are A2, 2C, and AC2. B is a solid and AB is a solid, so we won't include them in our reaction quotient equations and later on our equilibrium constant equations. So first we want to get our products, so 0.3 molar AC2, and we only have one AC2 in the product side, so it's to the first power. And then we can move on to our reactants in the denominator because we only have one aqueous substance in the products. So we have concentration of A2, which is 0.1. And then since we only have one, we can just raise it to the first power. And then 2C, so we have 0.5 molar concentration of C, and since we have two C's, we want to raise it to the second power. So then, since that is our QC equation, we can then, from this, say that QC at this moment in the reaction is 12. So, now that we have this, if the reaction were at equilibrium, what would Kc be? So, if these values were equilibrium values and they weren't changing at all, then this would not be QC, it would be Kc. Because now we're dealing with it at equilibrium. This is what the value will be at equilibrium. While QC deals at any moment in the reaction, Kc is only at equilibrium. So if these are equilibrium values and not just any old values, then this would be Kc and not QC. So I would also like to mention that you can do the same thing with pressure for gases, except Kp and Kc are not interchangeable, so don't make that mistake.